What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to go over Play Octopus just in this video, real brief. If you guys have been on the channel, you know we've been talking about this quite a bit, mainly because this is the best platform to partner with if you are a rideshare driver. Right off the bat, if you just want to check it out and not hear me talk anymore, I left a link in the description below, and you can actually sign up for free with Play Octopus. So check that out. If not, let's just jump into this video. So Play Octopus, if you don't know, is a really awesome company. They partner with rideshare drivers, and you get a tablet that essentially attaches to the back of your headrest. Customers can play games and do a lot of different functions on these tablets. You get paid if they're playing the games. The customers can get paid by winning prizes and cashing out. It's honestly incredible. It is the best idea I think anyone has ever had to partner with a rideshare company. They use T-Mobile for the data solution. I've had T-Mobile before. I've always, had great experiences with them. Really good service in most places. So obviously you're gonna do fine with having a data connection while you're out there. They are the world's largest rideshare advertising network. So what you can do, Octopus Interactive equips Uber, Lyft, and all rideshare drivers with high-def screens to engage riders. There's live games like real-time trivia, they have daily giveaways, and even cash prizes. Like, they can literally win cash prizes for using this. It also gives them ride information, so they can see your driver profile on there, go through all the good reviews, ratings, little analytics. I think that's fun. Like, usually for a lot of this stuff, they have some of it, but for a lot of it, they've got to just ask, like, oh, what's a funnier review you've ever had? They can also see weather and a lot of other local info about events or just things going on in the city. There's also the way that it works is then Play Octopus will play ads for them. So these are very different from like YouTube ads or like a normal ad you might see on your social media. These are pretty interactive ads. I think this is why this business model is done so well. So they've just found a really great way to reach people, and they've done it in a very high quality way. So if you are a driver, they say that they have 40,000 drivers on the platform. They say that Octopus drivers have higher driver ratings. They get better conversations with their passengers. And in my experience, because I've used it quite a bit, this is 100% the case. It's just they're going to be curious about it when they see it. And the reason why is because a majority of drivers don't use Play Octopus. So they see that tablet in there right away. They're wondering what it's about. And I always liked it too, because occasionally if I've been driving all day and I just feel a little bit brain dead, like I just don't have the cognitive ability to start another conversation with, how's your day been today? Oh, how about that weather out there? Whatever dumb line I'll use. It's so natural to just instead be like, hey, you probably see that tablet on the back of your headrest. I just wanted to let you know that's actually a really cool company called Play Octopus. They have games, local event info, weather, and there's a lot of different stuff you can do on there. If you want to check it out, feel free. You can actually win some prizes for looking into it. And now I have like a reason for starting the conversation with them, right? So higher driver ratings, you make more money obviously with Play Octopus. On average, they say 25 to 100 bucks a month. But the main thing here that you need to be thinking is how much more you'll make in tips, because you're providing an extra level of service for them, entertainment. So this is a really, really awesome service. They're in pretty much every major market. I mean, it's like the Dakotas and Montana that they're like not in. So it's almost anywhere that you guys are watching, you're more than likely going to qualify. But anyways, I really recommend this one for you guys. Well worth your time. This is better than anything we've ever promoted, in my opinion. If you want to get a free tablet, you can use our link in the description below, as well as our referral code, and they'll send you that tablet for free so you can get started with honestly just making more money. So check that out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there more than anything, and stay tuned for more updates.